Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today I'm going to show you how I plan in my work notebook. So I don't do this for you guys all the time, but I am working from home, and I thought that it would be nice to show you kind of how I set up my notebook. Now, as you can see, as I flip through this, they are different each day. You know, I just kind of do what I feel like, but I have been doing this daily for probably all year at least. And I'm really kind of liking the way that this works. So I'm just using a notebook that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it has my girl, which I absolutely love. So it has her in there, and then I put all of the months, and I highlighted when paydays are. And then I have a couple just inspirational quotes that I liked, and then I just start in. And on this side of the day, I like to include notes for meetings, and then on this side I like to make my to-do list. Now, my wonderful friend Lisa made this for me. It is made out of a photo album that she got at the Dollar Tree, she said, and then she just put scrapbook paper and a cute little saying on the front. It says, "Coffee with you is my favorite perk. You always keep me grounded." And then she put some sweet stickers in here. Now, I have filled it to the gills with other stickers, but I just really like stickers, as you guys know. And another thing that is definitely needed when you're doing your planning is a cup of coffee. Hot out of the Keurig. So I just kind of look through really kind of quickly, and I don't always even look through, but I just kind of look and see, okay, what kind of, maybe something strikes me as incentive to you know, I don't know, just whatever. And she gave this to me right before Valentine's Day, so that's why I have all these Valentine stickers in there. I probably won't keep those in there, but I haven't really decided. Definitely some coffee. And I always like to put something inspirational in there, especially since it's Friday. So let's see. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Hustle and heart. List maker's gonna list. Very busy. Go for it. Confidence. Get it, girl. So busy. I kind of like those. It's Friday. So, yeah, I think I'll use those. And then I have some faith-based stickers in here too. Oh, I love this one. Empowered women empower women. I love that. I'm going to put that one in there. And then let's see. I'm just looking to see what I might like. With God, all things are possible. I like that one. So I don't really have a rhyme or a reason on when I do this or how I do this, which is very refreshing just because I don't spend a lot of time doing it. I just like to get stuff done, and I do this usually either the night before or the morning when I get to work, but right now it's the night before. So I'm just going to put this here. And I like the dotted paper because it does help me keep things straight. I love this. Empowered women empower women. Oh, that's awesome. I'm going to put that right up here. And then get it, girl. I'm going to put right over here. And I got these stickers from different sticker sets, and I just cut them up and divided them however I wanted to. Like, I tried to do it a little theme-based, like motivational stickers and to-do stickers, and that's kind of how I sorted it, just in my own way. And I'm going to put so busy right here. And I use one of my little magnets for my bookmark, and then I also use one of the pens for my pen, and I'll show you how I keep that. At least I'll try to remember. And I just want some flags or something for my to-do list. Actually, I kind of like this. I'm going to put these down, and that'll be my top 6 that I need to get done. And then I'm going to put this down too. I'm really trying to line this up. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time. There it goes. All right. And I have lots of other stickers I can use, but these are the ones I usually just keep at work. So when I'm home, I have, you know, all of my collection here. But if I were at work, I would use just everything that's in here. But since I'm home, I'm going to pull out, I don't know, something else. Let's look at this because I feel like I need something over here. Oh, it is payday. I could use a money one, but I think I have, oh, no, it's not St. Patrick's Day. I was going to say it's St. Patrick's Day. I could put this. But it is almost, so let me put this here. And let's see here. I am just looking, like I said, it is payday. I'm going to use one of these payday stickers. And let's see, I know I have some. I'll just use one of these blank ones and I'll write the day in here, or the date in here. And I will put a coffee there. And some washi. I think I'm going to use the gold washi. And I don't know that I'll use it all, so I'm just going to put it what I want over here, and then I will trim that. And I'll save this for another time. If I can find where I put it. Oh, here it is. And I still want something over here, I think, like on this corner. I love these little girls, as you guys know. I tell you that all the time, so. Actually, though, I think I'm going to use this one. Stand tall and wear a crown. I've heard that before, like be a pineapple, stand tall and wear a crown. There we go. And I know I have some pineapple stickers. Were they in this, perhaps? Here they are. Okay, so I'm just going to put that right there. And that is what it will look like. So then I will just write the day on here. Tomorrow is Friday, and it is March 15th. And Katie's coming home today, so I'm gonna, well, Friday, not today, but Katie home. So since I've been home, I sometimes will write things that I need to do here, down here at the bottom, so I'll have it. But I don't always do that, but sometimes I do. Just whatever. And then I like to carry over what I didn't get done. I put it here, and so like I know that I need to work on my goals. And I need to Cascade 2019, and then add 2018, and then let's see here. That's everything that I needed to carry over, and then I will add what I need to do also. And so these first ones are priority, so I'm going to write that down here. And then I will look at my calendar and I will write down what meetings I have here, and then this is where I will use to take notes, and then if I need more paper I will just add it. So that is what I know I need to, so I'm going to write some things down here that I know I need to do at home. I need to do laundry. I need to clean the kitchen. I need to do the floors. I want to get my nails done. Groceries. And I want to send some cards out. And let's see, I watered the plants today, so I don't need to do that tomorrow. I actually do need a car wash too. I'm going to put that down here. And then for the weekend, what I do is I just don't do anything, and then when Monday comes I just use a new page. So I just use two pages a day, like one full layout each day. And that is what my work calendar looks like. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye. I said I was going to show you how I do my pin and I forgot. So all I do is close this up, put my little elastic on there, and then take my pin when it's closed, and I just put it through this way. That way I have my pin with my planner all the time. And when I'm at work, I just leave this on my desk, usually opened up, and I just work on it. But then when I go to a meeting, I just close it up like this and take it with me, and there we go. So thanks again. Bye-bye.